Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling real-time malware protection on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom. Search for Windows Security and open it. In Windows Security, select Virus and Threat Protection from the left sidebar. From there, select Manage Settings. Here you can turn the toggle on and off for real-time virus and malware protection. If you turn it off, it will turn back on automatically after a short amount of time. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.